Today we're going to replace the screen on an Acer Aspire 5734Z4836. First, what you need to do is turn off your laptop, disconnect it from the charger, and remove the 4 plastic screw covers that are around the corners. Then, remove the screws. After that, remove the bezel carefully. Be very careful because the bezel is very fragile. Then remove 3 screws on each side of the harness. These screws are holding the screen in place. Then disconnect your camera cable from the camera. Place your screen on top of your keyboard. Disconnect the video cable and the inverter cable. Now place your old screen aside, grab your new screen from laptopscreen.com, place it gently on your keyboard, connect the inverter cable, connect the video cable, and if you have some, grab some electrical tape. Cut a piece off and place it on top of the video cable connection. This will secure the connection. Now gently grab your new screen, place it on top of the harness, and connect your camera cable. At this point, it is safe to test your new screen. So connect the charger and turn it on. Make sure everything boots up properly. Now turn it off and disconnect the charger. Now screw the 3 screws on each side of the harness back on. Now grab your bezel and gently place it on top of your new screen. Slide your fingers all around the bezel until you hear cracking noises, snapping noises, or clicking noises. This will make sure that it is put on right. Now put the screws on each corner back on. And then the plastic covers back on. Now put the battery back in, connect it to the charger, and turn it on. Your new screen should be working now. Thanks for watching.